Chisngi Hadien balala ban penmi ya ka hukum ban batha ya ki deputy commissioner jongki district baro bakin long ki bapet ngor ya ka Rung ki Mynder nakaliang menteri rangba ka jelau konrad kes sangma haka arpusau tarik naitung araja arpusan ulan lom ya ka Jingïalang ki he officer ka jela ki bakan thop na du chief secretary DGP bat ki wei Hakani ka Jingïalang nakaliang menteri rangba ula batha ya ki board district bat pulet bakin dang penjur ya ka jingpet perman kham tam bat ki jaka ki biajan bat ka Assam ka badang penyat menta ya ka jingkhenra ya ki Mynderi khnang ban khanglat ya ka jingwan Rung jongki sepo ka jela Meghalaya Habakran sikilat pathai kubor Hadien ketika Jingïalang ukonrat ulaong baka Jingïalang ka ba ulum ka long banyakren ya ki kam ki ban khata na ka jingkhenra Mynderi ka ba jia hajela Assam ka bala don ka jing batha ban long ki ba pet perman ba kham tam ha ki jaka khaput bamar jan bat ka Assam bat ki jaka ki bamar jan bat ki jaka ba khenra
The purpose of this meeting was to discuss the overall effect of the recent eviction drive that has been taking place in the state of Assam. And based on that, the government has been continuously engaging with the deputy commissioners to ensure that the deputy commissioners further engage with the block level, the BDO officials, as well as the thanas, the police personnels, the VDPs in different villages, different NGOs and different traditional heads. And all this communication and overall interaction is being done to ensure that there is no infiltration or movement that takes place because of the eviction that is taking place in Assam into our state of Meghalaya. There are certain vulnerable districts, especially bordering Assam and closer to the areas where the eviction drive in Assam is going on. Hence, special attention is being given in those districts. And we had, as I said, a review meeting today where all the officials involved were present, and we have been reported and informed that no incident has taken place in any of the districts.
Ulapen tepru bagi board district, ki board pulit, ki village defense party VDP bat ki clear nong sen charge nong, bakinya trailang menta ban penti kenai ke jing sam jing tip, hakapor ke biang bat ru, ban shem ya ki sen jam ki badon kam bat ban pentip, bahaduk menta kampat don setia kenu ke jing ja bawan Rung ki brio ki basyak kendang na Assam hakenu ke district ke jela.
That all the district administration, the police, the VDPs, the different village level committees, the different traditional heads, the different NGOs, all are being coordinated with to ensure that any information that we receive on any movement or any individuals coming in will be informed immediately to us and appropriate action will be taken. So a review took place today for that at my level, and we have given necessary instructions to be on alert, especially in the border areas, especially the ones that are bordering Assam, and especially the ones that are bordering the areas where the eviction drive is taking place.
Hadien, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.